Today we will learn about Dice Game tutorial. Click on New Project and type activity name as Dice Game, then click on Create.
Now for this program, we don't need the default OnStart or Forever blocks, so we can delete them from the workspace by dragging them over to the toolbox. Now to simulate rolling dice, we're going to be using the motion sensor, also called the accelerometer on the Microbit, to detect when we shake our Microbit. From the Input Toolbox drawer, drag an OnShake block out to the workspace. Now whatever code we put inside the OnShake block will run when we shake our Microbit. From the Basic category, get a Show Number block and drag it inside our OnShake block. Now in the Microbit simulator, we can move our cursor back and forth over the Microbit very quickly to simulate a shake, or we can press the Shake button. You should see the number 0 appear. This is great, but our dice wouldn't be very good if it only always showed 0. So now open up your Math Toolbox drawer and scroll down to find a Pick Random block. Drag this block into our Show Number block, replacing the 0. Now a 6-sided dice will show values anywhere from 1 to 6. So in this Pick Random block, set the minimum value to 1 and the maximum value to 6. Now let's try shaking our Microbit in the simulator again. Great! You should see random numbers between 1 and 6 appear. Now, if you have a Microbit, connect it to your computer and press the purple download button to transfer your code to the Microbit. If you want to go further, try adding some music blocks that play when you shake your Microbit. Great job!